It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Hyundai prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, front and rear air conditioning, remote keyless entry, and more. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. With a friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, superb customer care, and competitive prices, our dealership is a great place to do business.